कठिन सवाल मत पूछना भाई, मैं मैट्रिक में फेल हो गया था। हाँ क्या पूछ रहे थे? हाँ अच्छा, तो जैसा कि 24 तारीख को हमारी फिल्म रिलीज हो रही है शुक्रवार को, और आज उसका म्यूजिक लॉन्च है, जिसके लिए मैं पहले तो बधाई देना चाहूँगा हमारी फिल्म की जो म्यूजिक डायरेक्टर हैं संगीता जी, अ बिग हैंड टू हर। और उसमें चूंकि आपने देखा ट्रेलर में कुछ तड़कता भड़कता म्यूजिक था, जिसमें हमें डांस भी करना पड़ा था और हमें नचाने का सारा श्रेय जाता है माँ जी को, बिग हैंड फॉर हिम। और इसके बाद हमारे साथ नृत्य करने के लिए बहुत लंबे लंबे लोग थे, मैं हील पहन के नाच रहा था. तो मुग्धा जी प्लीज. But jokes apart, I would really like to congratulate and thank फैसल कपाड़िया जी. उनकी फिल्म रिलीज हो रही है, हम सबकी फिल्म रिलीज हो रही है. बहुत बहुत बधाइयाँ, many congratulations. And last but not the least, the writer and the director and a very dear friend, Anil Kumar Chaudhary. It's his first film. So please, we need all the love that we can. अरे एक और कलाकार भीड़ में खो गए भाई. आइए, इतनी भीड़ तो नहीं है यार यहाँ. आइए सर. A big hand, please. Thank you. तो मैं देना चाहूँगा, बधाई देना चाहूँगा अनिल जी को. वो हमारे मित्र हैं बहुत सालों से, लेकिन उनके साथ काम करने का, उनकी फिल्म में जो उन्होंने खुद लिखी भी है, काम करने का मुझे अवसर उन्होंने दिया. थैंक यू वेरी मच अनिल सर आपको. और 24 तारीख को हम सबकी इनिंग शुरू होने वाली है. IPL उधर शुरू हुआ, हमारी इनिंग शुरू होगी फ्राइडे को. प्लीज आप अपने नजदीकी सिनेमा घरों में जाएं और अपना कीमती वोट देकर हमें विजयी बनाएं. थैंक यू.
मुग्धा, सेम क्वेश्चन. और आपका इसमें बहुत डिफरेंट रोल है, तो उस रोल के बारे में कुछ बताएं.
Yes, first of all, I want to congratulate Faizel Kapadia and Anil Kumar Chaudhary and the music director and the whole cast and crew, Vinay. And that we are finally releasing the film, and it's a pleasure to stand here and say that because we have worked really hard on this. Yes, I look de-glamorous in this movie, so I hope I have done the justice to yours. De-glamorous. Yes. I tried to. But yes, it was fantastic, sir. And looking forward for the release on 24th. Please go and watch it. Thank you.
अमित भाई, फ्लाइट से डायरेक्ट वेन्यू पे आए हैं, तो प्ले के बाद फिल्म के बारे में कुछ क्या कहेंगे?
अनिल हमारे बहुत मित्र हैं. उन्होंने जब मुझे कहा कि ये फिल्म करनी है, और मतलब द प्रोसेस वाज वेरी एक्साइटिंग. विनय के साथ मैं भेजा भाई 2 कर चुका था, सो आई न्यू विनय एज अ ह्यूमन बीइंग. एंड रवि माशब हमारे पुराने दोस्त हैं, समता जी हमारे पुराने दोस्त हैं, विनय जी हमारे सीनियर हैं, मुग्धा but anyway, Aniket, old friend, the DOP, and it's been a very exciting और फाइनली हो रही है. और मुझे अच्छा लग रहा है कि भाई सब यार दोस्त मिलके एक अच्छी फिल्म बनाई. एंड फैसल भाई इज बीन अ ग्रेट सर. एंड 24 तारीख को जाइए और देखिए कागज के फूल.
When I heard the subject, I thought it was a very hard-hitting subject, and such subjects should be made nowadays. It's about a man's ego and how people play.
What do you have to say, Vinay Pathak as an actor and Uda Godse as an actress? What do you pretty?
They have played roles which I feel they have not played before. Both adverse characters. Mugdha has played a wife, a Punjabi wife, fluent Punjabi. She's not done it before, and Vinay is more serious this time. So I think so. That's why they love the subject, and they were very much involved because of the difference of characters they have played before.
You know, you are producing a film. Film producing is one of the most risky business. So you know, the kind of market today we have. What do you have to comment on it? I mean, are people accepting the kind of movie you are going to make?
That's now the people's choice. We have made the movie. We've given the maximum efforts, fantastic teamwork, and we are very confident the movie is going to hit where it hurts.
Is this the first movie you are producing?
No, it's the second. We already made a movie named Bachelor Party, which was released a couple of years before.
But what would you comment on the scene as such?
Sorry?
The film production scene as such. You know, corporates are involved in the film production business.
Now it depends. They are not involved in any movie that is being released.
Okay.
In a few, maybe with the bigger stars.
Okay.
But that's it.
And regarding the marketing and promotion of the film, what
Right, PVR is releasing the movie.
Okay.
Z has released the music, so we have got names with our movie also.
And in the future projects, what are you doing? I mean,
This is next movie called Dead End,
okay.
which we are shooting in Australia starting in May.
And what are the costs in the movie?
3 international actors in that. So just wait for 2 weeks. The announcement will be made shortly.
अच्छा ओके
English, right?
इंग्लिश
Yeah, English. It's okay, na?
इट्स ओके आ जाओ
What really made you to make Agas Ke Phul? What is the subject of the movie and what casting you have done Vinay Pathak and Mugdha Gauda, what really inspired you to cast them in the film?
Okay, the subject of the film is very simple. See, it's about the people, you know, we don't understand one thing, that whatever you have in your life, we try to ignore that and we try to see the neighbor's life. And we tend to believe that this is the best life. That's what it is all about. And as far as the treatment is concerned, it's a very humorous kind of film, husband and wife. And when I was apt casting for the husband's role, and Mugdha Godse was a surprise, this thing, you know, when we were casting, she said, I want to do wife's role. I said, let's try it. And she's a surprise element in the film.
You know, Vinay Pathak started his career with Bheja Fry, which was a mostly very hit film, as well.
Yeah.
So what comment you have to make Vinay Pathak as an actor?
Vinay Pathak as an actor, my comment on him, he's a brilliant actor. Simply one shift, he's a brilliant actor.
So do you think, I mean, there is an outcast in a comedy role? As
Sorry?
compared to, there is an outcast character in a comedy role as compared to Vinay Pathak.
He's classified as a comedian.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What is the comment?
No. I see the film, the treatment of the film may be humorous, but what Vinay does, see, even in Bheja Fry, he never does comedy.
Yeah.
He plays a character.
Play that character, yeah.
In each and every film, to track his career, he plays a character. So in those characters, you might laugh. The way he performs in the situation, you might laugh. But it's a film, you know, which makes you laugh. Not the Vinay Pathak's buffoonery or something of that.
Right.
He does very seriously.
But how has been the treatment of the film then? It has been treated in a comedy way or in a very...
No, it's a very simple way it is being treated. But end of the day, Jackie, you will see, oh yeah, it's like Sharad Joshi's stories, you know. It's like, you know, very, very humorous, this thing, you know.
But besides...
We never try to do a comedy in this.
Besides Vinay Pathak, Rama is there, Saurabh Shukla is there, they are also military. What do you comment on them as well?
What?
Saurabh Shukla is there, Rama Seni is there. What do you comment on them as an actor and actress, you know, as an artist?
What I have to comment, everyone knows they are brilliant actors, they are very good actors. Saurabh is a superb actor. Vinay has already proven, Saurabh has proven, they got national award, they got this award, this award. So as far as Rama, I still believe the best is yet to come. She's a brilliant actress.
Yeah, you mentioned the subject of film is, you know, what you have you should be satisfied with it and not look for other things. You know, it's a very competitive kind of environment.
Yeah, I'm quite satisfied the way film has come out, and I'm sure, finger crossed, people like
The
it.
subject of the film, the subject of film is likewise, you don't need to compete with others as such.
No, we don't need to compete.
So will that inspire viewers when they watch the film as such? Will be a lesson for them?
Sorry, I didn't get
Will
you.
it be a lesson for them when the viewers जब public देखेंगे फिर तो उनको लगेगा कि हाँ जो हमारे पास में मौका देना चाहिए कंपटीशन के लिए ऐसे को सबक देगी फिल्म
100% देगी. बहुत सिंपल बात है यार. आपकी मम्मी कहती है देख ले वो बन गया इंजीनियर, तू नहीं बन पाया है. वाइफ कहती है वो आगे चला गया, आप नहीं कर पाए, है ना. और हस्बैंड भी कई बार कह देता है कि उसको चाय बनानी आती है, अच्छी आपको नहीं आती है. इट्स सच ए सिंपल सब्जेक्ट, आई एम टेलिंग यू, बट इट डील्स विद सच ए वेरी, यू नो, also very serious subject. See, whatever you have in life, whatever your qualities are, try to look at them rather than looking at others' life.
What kind of role you
सर रोल, फिर आप वही गड़बड़ सवाल पूछे, मतलब लग रहा है कि आपने अपना शोध किया नहीं है कि बता दीजिए रोल के बारे में, बता दीजिए पिक्चर. जैसा कि आपने देखा, ये एक लेखक की कहानी है और लेखक की ज़िंदगी में क्या क्या ऊहापोह समस्याएं होती हैं. लेखक की ज़िंदगी में भी पत्नी होती है और उसको भी रोटी कमाना होता है. तो कैसे आज की ज़िंदगी में लेखक को, जो कि वो आदर्श लेखक है, वो जो लिखना चाहता है वो छोड़ के जो मार्केट में बिकता है वो लिखने के लिए प्रेरित किया जाता है. इस बात पे लड़ाइयाँ हैं, कहानी है, आप देखेंगे आपको पता चलेगा.
सर बहुत सारे कॉमेडी एक्टर्स जो कॉमेडी करते हैं, लेकिन आई थिंक यू आर द ओनली द लोन कॉमेडी एक्टर्स जो अपने बल पे फिल्म को आगे ले जाते हैं, अपने बल पे फिल्म को कामयाब बनाते हैं. सबसे बेस्ट हूँ भेजा फैब की पहले फिल्म जिसने 50 लाख में बनाई थी, जो बजट था और इतना करोड़ों की बिजनेस किया. आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे इस बारे में, खुद के बारे में?
पहले तो मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा कि भेजा फ्राई मेरी पहली फिल्म नहीं थी. ठीक है.
भेजा फ्राई के पहले मैंने काफ़ी फिल्में की थी। जी 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 जी। दूसरी बात, इसके बारे में कहना यही चाहूँगा कि मैं बहुत खुश हूँ इस बात से कि भेजा फ्राई की वजह से मुझे कई और अच्छी कहानियाँ कहने का मौका मिला है, कई अच्छी फिल्मों से जुड़ने का मौका मिला है, कई अच्छे फिल्म मेकर डायरेक्टर्स के साथ काम करने का मौका मिला है, कई अच्छे टैलेंटेड एक्टर्स और को एक्टर्स के साथ काम करने का मौका मिला है। जी 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 जी। अच्छा था भाई, सब दोस्त ही हैं हमारे, ऐसा नहीं था कि हम पहली बार मिले हैं। तो डायरेक्टर भी हमारे दोस्त, हमारे सारे को एक्टर्स दोस्त, तो ऐसा ये अच्छा हो गया कि सारे दोस्तों ने मिल के फिल्म बनाई है। कुछ ऐसा अटपटा नहीं लगा, कुछ कभी प्रॉब्लम होती थी तो बैठ के हम बात करके सुलझा भी लेते थे। एक फिल्म है गौर हरी दास्तान, जो 14 अगस्त को रिलीज़ होने वाली है मोस्ट प्रॉबेबली। वो एक सीरियस फिल्म है, एक फ्रीडम फाइटर की कहानी है, तो वो है। और इसके बाद एक आइलैंड सिटी है जो अभी पोस्ट प्रोडक्शन में है, वो भी साल के अंत तक आनी चाहिए। धन्यवाद। थैंक यू थैंक यू।
The film subject is the story of a writer, and it's a full satire film. There are emotional moments also, and as you see, I'm playing a wife who is nagging. Because of that, the husband is very irritated, and how the circumstances happen in their life, and how the movie life goes ahead. That's the plot of the film, and it's really funny, and it's really it's like a common man story who happens to be a fantastic writer. एंड कैसे एक राइटर की अपनी अपनी मजबूरियाँ और मुश्किलें होती है इकोनॉमिकली और सेंसिबिलिटीज़ को लेके, सो वो भी थोड़ा सा दिखाया है, बट इट इज़ अ फैमिली ओरिएंटेड कम्प्लीटली फन फिल्म Yes, as you saw today, the entire evening he's been having fun, and that's what the पूरा माहौल ऐसा ही था सेट्स पे, तो हमें लगा नहीं कि हम काम कर रहे हैं, एंड कैरेक्टर में उतरने में भी बहुत आसानी हो जाती है, कंफर्टेबिलिटी बढ़ जाती है, सो आई हैड अ ग्रेट टाइम वर्किंग। Yes, it's completely for everybody. Even kids can go and watch it because there are a lot of kids also in the film. It's a completely simple, family-oriented film where you can go in the evening and watch the film and come out laughing, holding your stomach. And probably husband and wife will be like, oh, dekho. So I'm sure that will also happen.
It's been a long time since you are part of a big film as such, What was the reason for that?
The reason is just that I was not getting many offers. This is now releasing, so I'm hoping for some good work ahead.
Besides this, the project what you are working on?
There is one film I just shot which called Dangerous Facebook, so that's ready. Bezubanish with new people. It's a love story that should be on the list. Thank you.
No, first of all, can you just introduce yourself on the camera?
Yeah, I'm Sangeeta Pant, and I've given the music for the film Kaagaz Ke Fools, which is releasing on 24th April 2015.
So how challenging was it giving the music of the film as that?
More than challenging, it was a lot of fun. Okay. Yeah, I would say a little bit of challenge where, I had to compose a song which was a theme song for the film. So that it is a satirical film, kind of funny, but also a satire. So the theme song had to kind of complement the various situations of the film. So that was a little bit of a challenge, but then I love challenges, and I wrote the song as well, and then I composed it. The rest of the songs were really, really fun because one was seductive, one was a regular romantic number. Yeah.
So, what kind of music being given in the film as well? There are many films which have music, but it's not a baby number, which doesn't mean anything. So as a music,
no, I think we are in the business of entertaining people. So if we are trying to put a little bit of peppiness into the songs, I think it should be a welcome, because welcome break for people, right? Again, it has to complement the situation, the story, the narrative of the film. If the peppiness is out of place, then obviously it won't appeal to people. So, but yeah, we are here to make people peppy, and why not have some peppy numbers if the situation can accommodate.
And how far the music of the film is responsible for attracting the public as such to the cinema theaters?
Yeah, a very good question. It is a very integral part of attracting people to watch some film, because these days you see if the songs come much before the film, and if they are a hit, then film itself becomes a hit to some extent. At least the first opening audience that you get is because of the songs. So yes, it is a very, very important part.
Regarding your future projects, what are the future projects you're working in?
The future projects, yeah, I'm working on a couple of them. One is a film with the same production house, which is called Dead End, and some more talks are on. When it gets finalized, then I'll be in a better situation to talk about it.
Thanks,